Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive into all things car maintenance. Today, we're tackling a topic that might not be on your radar but definitely should be: car alignment symptoms. If your car is a bit out of whack, it could be due to alignment issues, and trust me, you don't want to ignore these signs. So, picture this. You're cruising down the highway, but you notice your car keeps drifting to one side, even though the road is straight. You think, maybe it's the wind? But if it happens repeatedly, it's likely a symptom of poor alignment. Your car should travel straight when your steering wheel is centered. If it doesn't, there's a good chance your alignment is off. Another telltale sign is uneven tire wear. If you notice that the tread on one side of your tires is wearing out faster than the other, it's a red flag. Tires should wear evenly, and if they don't, not only will you be replacing them more often, but it also indicates your car's alignment needs checking. Ever felt your steering wheel vibrate, even on smooth roads? That's another clue. While vibrations can be caused by several issues, poor alignment is a common culprit. When your wheels are not aligned properly, they can pull against each other, causing that annoying vibration you feel in the steering wheel. Speaking of the steering wheel, if it's not centered when you're driving straight, that's yet another symptom. You might find yourself holding the wheel slightly to the left or right to keep the car going straight. This is not normal and indicates your alignment is out of whack. Now, let's talk about handling. Does your car feel loose, especially when you take turns? Poor alignment can mess with your car's handling, making it feel unstable and less responsive. This can be particularly dangerous in emergency situations where precise handling is crucial. One more symptom that's often overlooked is a squealing noise coming from your tires. If your wheels are misaligned, they might be dragging slightly across the road rather than rolling smoothly, which can cause that high-pitched squeal. It's not just annoying. It's a sign that something's not right. Okay, let's break this down with an example. Imagine you're driving a typical sedan. You notice that every time you take your hands off the wheel, just for a second, your car veers to the right. Your tires look more worn on the outer edges, and you feel a constant vibration in the steering wheel. All these signs point to one conclusion: your alignment is off, and it's time for a visit to the mechanic. Now, why does alignment get messed up in the first place? It can happen from something as simple as hitting a pothole or bumping a curb. Even regular wear and tear can gradually knock your wheels out of alignment. That's why it's important to get your alignment checked regularly, especially if you start noticing any of the symptoms we've discussed. All right, now it's your turn. Have you ever experienced any of these alignment symptoms? How did you handle it? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.